What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I am back with another video, y'all. Thank you for tuning into day 3 of our video extravaganza, y'all. I am having so much fun coming in hot with all this extra content for you to end the month of January 2022. And you know I'm doing this video extravaganza with some of my favorite channels here on YouTube. 2 of those channels are Intentional Living and The Crafty Budgeter. Don't forget to check out their channels as well. And we're going to dive right into today's video, which is our savings challenge update for the last week of January 2022. I am so excited to share my progress, and I hope you are too. Don't forget, if you want to stay inspired to save the most money you have ever saved in your life, don't forget to join our savings challenge Facebook group, where we share our wins, we share our fails, and we grow together, y'all. Let's stay motivated to save this money. Let's stay the course and meet all of our goals. Okay, so first off, let me do an unstuffing and see how much we have to work with here. Y'all, this was a really good week. I've got some money left over in my fund, $10. Tips has $5. Let's see what else we got. I've been doing a bad job of keeping it cute, but hey, it's here. Okay, we got some money there. Wow, we have never had this much money left over before. I am here for it. Let me try to get that glare off. We are making it work, y'all. I ordered the YouTube light bulbs a few minutes ago, right before I filmed this. I'm kind of running late today. It's one of those days where the time just flies. What in the world, y'all? When I tell you I did not leave out, I did not leave out. Okay. All right. Making sure I got them all. I think I did. Beautiful. Best unstuffing ever. By a landslide. The level of staying in the house that we have been doing. And don't forget, we're doing that $100 food challenge too. So I had a couple hiccups, but for the most part, it's been okay. Let me know how it's going for you guys with the $100 food challenge. If you want the details, check out my video from 2 days ago. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, $80. Wow. Okay. So first off, I'm going to put a $20 bill in my cash envelope that I keep for when it's like, it's an all-purpose envelope. And I already know that for the next couple of months, I'm going to be going out to eat more. We're going to be meeting friends who are coming here for a wedding. And so I want to make sure that we have some money just starting to build up outside of our regular sinking funds. And wow, okay, we will top off. We will find a use for this money, okay? And then, let's see. I also have some coins, some coinage. And so I have my piggy bank here. And I keep my silvers and coppers separate, so it's easy to count up once this thing fills all the way up. Been going back and forth on whether I'm going to buy a machine that will count all of this up. Not count it all for you, but it will roll the coins for you. Or if I'm just going to take it to like the bank, or what's it called? Coin something. I don't know. Okay, that's all the coins. But either way, I will cross that bridge when I get there. But this is a good amount building up. Y'all, this is so heavy. It does not look like it's so heavy. And we will stuff these in another video. Now let's dive into these savings challenges. So week 4/5 of our 0 out challenge, we are doing an additional stuff. So January was kind of weird. It almost had like 5 weeks technically, depending on what day you got paid. And so I just added it here. We are adding $14.02 to our 0 out challenge this week, y'all. So I want to add that up. Let me see. Let's add up and see how much we have put toward the 0 out challenge this month. $44.26 to the 0 out challenge. All right, I'm going to call that a month. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. So $44.26, and I will use it apply it to my mini, $44.26 for the month of January. That is awesome. This is passively adding to our emergency fund over time throughout the month, and I love this challenge. It's hands down one of my favorite savings challenges. You're using money that you already have in your bank account the day before you get paid. So with it being today's Thursday, the day before payday, this is our final count for January. So I am excited. Okay, next up, I'll have an emergency fund update coming in my next video. We'll go ahead and also shade in some coinage here for our Keep the Change challenge, which is up next. We definitely had a nice amount. Now, I would like to add to this more, but for now, we'll give ourselves credit. We'll let ourselves shade in 3. About halfway, you know. Good accomplishment. Now, I am not going to add this up until the end of the year. I made it so that you could if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to definitely be just, you know, wait until the end of the year and just adding all of this up and seeing how much we saved. I can't wait to see. Next is Saveopoly. Now, from last week, we'll keep this money to the side. We'll use that in a minute. First off, we're going to be cash stuffing $300 today. Let's make sure that's what we have. 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 285, 290, 295, 300. Okay. So for last week's roll, Saveopoly roll, I was supposed to stuff my Saveopoly with $22. I left myself a note right here. And for today, I'm going to actually change that to $25. Oh, I don't have to fold it. And that is because I went to the ATM, y'all. So it is what it is. Couldn't get exact change. They don't give out ones. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, $70 so far for Saveopoly this month. So we're going to adjust this 22 to a 25. So that's $70 even to close out Saveopoly for the month. So I already moved it over to this envelope here, and then I'm starting fresh right here for next month. So let's go ahead and roll and see how much we're going to save next week for Saveopoly. A 1. Wow. Oh no, that means we go to jail because I was on the yellow. I remember last video. Well, that sucks. I think this is my first time going to jail in the history of Saveopoly.
Really?
Yeah, Saveopoly, not regular Monopoly. Okay, so that means I can't even shade anything in this week. Oh, boo. Oh well, next week will be better. We'll sit in jail and think about what we've done. Next up is the 26-week challenge, and we are going to be adding, where's my little cheat sheet here? $25. $25, so let's shade in one of those. Let's shade in this one right here. Okay. So 25. And that gives us now a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125, 130, 135, $140, y'all. And I'm using my mini trackers also on camera just to see how they are and how they're working out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting my business. Everybody, like, wow, so many orders I have to keep me busy this weekend. Thank you guys so much. I will get those to you next week. And thank you to all of our giveaway winners who are patiently waiting on their prizes. More than half of you have received yours. There's about 5 more I still need to mail out. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. Next up is the 50 envelope challenge. So for today, we will shade in, my notes say that we can do up to $25. Now listen, here's the thing. Here's my 50 envelope challenge. These are all the ones that I have been stuffing. And when I first started this envelope challenge, I was committing myself to the 100 envelope challenge. But since I have, you know, downgraded to the 50 envelope challenge, I want to make sure that I still reach my goal of at least $1,275. So I need to overstuff my envelopes for a while to make sure I'm caught up, if that makes any sense. So for today, I have $25 to contribute, but I think I'm going to make it the 19. I want to make sure, actually, I'm going to do the 16. So like I said, I'm doing that on purpose because I really want to overstuff. So we'll circle the 16 here and we will grab us another envelope. Oh, this is a cute one. Stay chic. Conversation is so talented. So we'll add 25. No, I'm about to mess it up already. 16. Yeah, I just don't want to not meet my goals, so I better overstuff to make sure. I would love to save $1,500 or $2,000 if I'm being honest, but at least the $1,275. That way, have that sense of accomplishment. Okay, next up is the nickel challenge. I am so happy, y'all. With this nickel challenge money, we are going to be stuffing $200, which is going to catch us up very nicely. So we're going to do 2 100s because the goal is to stuff it with at least $417 per month. And we were quite behind. I didn't know if we would make it, but we did. So now that should give us a total of 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, $400. So we will definitely come back to the nickel challenge with this extra money I have sitting right here to the side. So beautiful. And so yeah, we'll go ahead and shade that into. I'm just trying to use both of these trackers and see which one. And if I'm being honest, the one I also still miss, oh, I can move this stuff out the way to get the glare. The thing I still miss the most out of all of this is my binder, my savings challenge binder. So I might be bringing that back in the mix too. You know, I like doing everything with y'all. Okay, next up is the debit stay off challenge. I will have an update at the end of the month for this one. Right now we're not adding to it. It's my spend on the no spend challenge, but I have been doing really good with my purchases, y'all. I have not even tracked and seen how much money I haven't spent. So I need to do that. I have a list of like all the things I was about to buy, but I only have been buying things that I need. Like I need light bulbs for these videos. I can't wait on that. Things like that. I needed a new paper cutter because everybody has been ordering like crazy and I feel like my blades are getting dull, so I had to order new blades. And I wanted to order a paper cutter that could measure longer sheets of paper. So Debits Day is definitely good. If nothing else, it makes you think twice before you press buy. Next up is the emergency fund challenge. I am going to have an update in the next video, but I want to update this one. So 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 700 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have saved 700 so far. And then we need to update it here. So that's 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is amazing because our goal was to save at least $1,000 this month. So I'm happy with this progress. I will take it. It's been a weird month. You know, one of those months where the month before you got paid 3 times. And so like the following month, it's just it's felt like it took forever for us to get paid. Now we already finished the Peace, Love, and Budgets January challenge, which is our self-care challenge where we save money and then spend it on ourselves. So we are done. I might add to this later, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. But for now, I'm just trying to complete as many challenges as I can. Try to meet my goals that I set out for myself for the month of January. So now we're going to jump to some of the other savings challenges that I'm doing. One is the $1 a day investing challenge. And I already have fully completed that challenge, so I'm not going to worry about that. Then Eva's investing challenge, we only needed to shade in 4 pigs a month. And so we already are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pigs. So I don't need to worry about that. And then we have our $5 a day investing challenge. And I need to do my week 4 update for that. And so we're going to add another $25. So now that should give us a total of 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $100, y'all. $100 is going to be invested. I have to decide what I'm going to invest. Well, I have my list, but I have to decide if I'm going to invest on M1 Finance or Robinhood. Y'all okay? Y'all who are out there investing? It was a tough month. Let me tell you. I've been in beginner investing for about 2 years now, and you should only be investing money. What I have learned, what helps me to stay calm no matter what the market is doing, because what the market is doing, we just got to let it do its thing. But I never invest money that I'm not prepared to lose. And that's just me personally. I'm not trying to tell you what to do or how to invest, but it has helped me because I call my investing money my Chinese food money. And people who know me in real life know how I feel about my Chinese food. Like, I really don't play. But I used to blow hundreds of dollars a month on Chinese food when I lived in Baltimore because that was my favorite food to eat. And so I won't say $100, maybe about $800 a month. And so I swore to myself that if I could just decrease my eating out and start throwing that money that I would blow on Chinese food on investing, I'll be good. And that's what I've been doing. And so I highly recommend that. Okay. Now, I want to go back to the nickel challenge because I am short $17 roundabout. So we're going to go ahead and do $10, $20 so that we can meet our goal for the month. We don't need to count it. We know that this is $420. So I am happy because, guys, just last week we were behind. I remember I was talking about it. So nickel challenge, we just added $20. And then let me update it here. Because what happens, guys, when you're batch recording and you're leaving yourself like notes on where you left off on these challenges, it is easy to forget. And so that is the other reason why I track in my binder and in real life. Okay, so that's that one. And then we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, at least $35 left. So what challenge can we add to? I cannot believe we in jail on Sabopoli. I'm looking at the 26-week challenge. Got my eye on you. Let me jump back over to my monthly challenges and make sure I'm good there. We did ours. We did this one, the investing challenge by Mommy Trader. I'm caught up on the kids challenge and this one. Okay, so I have Gabby's challenge. I do want to start this. I'm going to hold on to this till February because I have plans because I don't really have any savings challenges other than mine for the month of February. So I am thinking I'm going to go ahead and use this as my no spend challenge money. That's what makes sense to me, right? Because if you think about it, that's all money that I could have blown on things. So let's see how much we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Whoa. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40. Yeah, that's perfect. Going toward the no spend challenge, my debit stay off challenge. And so I'm going to leave it shaded in like that, but I'm going to record my total for the month of January as $40. And we'll put it here too. $40. I am excited about that. Check me out, y'all. This thing is already going to be a problem. This is why I love the softback binders because they expand. But I will be doing a sinking fund / savings challenge, unstuff and restuff. Why can't I think of the word right now? But we're going to do one of those because I don't want my envelopes to get too stressed. But that is it for today's video. What a great start to the new year. I am excited. Let me know how you guys are doing with your savings challenges this month. That's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.